Namaste. This is a gentle bedtime yoga practice to decompress and to prepare for a good night's rest. Get comfy on your bed, grab a couple of pillows, and let's get started. Coming into any seated comfortable position. Hands by your side, palms open up to the sky. Close your eyes and we shall focus on some deep breathing. Deepest of inhale through your nose. Open your mouth to exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Dropping ear down to shoulder on any one side. You can bring in touch. Guide it along to gently press down the side of your neck, the shoulder, and little pinches down to the arm. Maybe guide it upwards. Now let's switch sides. Drop your down to shoulder. Hold. Guided stretch using your hand. Press it down along the way. To your shoulder, to the arm, and back to the pathway. And down to slide the hand to any one side. Switch. Spinal twist. To crack the spine. And switch sides. Turn to look back, to shoulder behind. Now let's extend one of the leg out, nice and straight. And soft, gentle rotations on the ankle. Now you can opt to take the pillow and just place it to the length of the leg and drop your head down as we hold. Switch sides. Ankle rotation to begin. And fold yourself forward down to the length of the pillow. And breathe and just stay here. Only when you're ready. Let's come on to kneeling position. Now place the pillow right in front of you so it goes down to the gateway between your legs. Vertical down. Folding your legs and sitting glutes down to heels. Interlace your fingers and take your arms right overhead. Stretch for spine, lifting your diaphragm. Now place it right behind your head. Open for a chest, open for a shoulder. Chin gazing up to the sky. Now let's do just the opposite, rounding your spine as we hold. Taking both the hands right behind you. Lean backwards. A little organic movement, side to side. Now just hold to look up. Let's get into the best of stretches. Straight into child's resting pose. Use the pillow or maybe two, if that feels nice. And diving straight into the puppy pose, going onto elbows, onto forearms. You're going to arch your back and look straight. Close the eyes. And send your energy down to the shoulders, your back, the spine. You're going to go flat down, chest down to the pillow. Let's bend one of the knee. Hold it for a release on the hips. And take it to the other side. Straight into the Sphinx pose. Once again onto the elbows to forearms. Legs are straightened out. And thinking about relaxing every part of the body. Let's bring into a lie down position. If you have a pillow right underneath your head, and give in some wrist rotations. Now spread open your legs nice and wide and drop knees down to any one side as we hold. And switch to the other side. Now grab the other pillow if you have and place it right underneath your legs like so. Feet comes together, knees apart. Baddha Konasana. Relax your body. Relax your legs, your hips, your knees hanging down heavy. And breathe into your pelvis, breathe into your hips. Now take one leg over to the other. And drop the legs down to the side. And feel a beautiful stretch on the side of your leg, the thigh, the glute. Now take the other leg over as we drop down. And back to center to bring both the knees hugging in closer to chest using your hands. If it feels nice, you can rock your body back and forth, passively massaging the lower back. We're going in for Uttan Padasana or double leg lift. And gentle ankle rotations. It's so important to reverse strain by the end of the day. Now let's spread open legs to happy baby. Get hold of your ankles. And this time swaying body side to side. Getting deeper on reset. Now on the final release, let's Shavasana. Extend the legs out straight. And let your entire physical body come into complete rest. Have a good night. I hope you will rest well. Namaste.